All right, what it do, ladies and gentlemen? Another beautiful day that the Lord has created. You know, he gave us the blessing, woke us up this morning. You know, and with that blessing, we finna go get up on these fish, you know what I'm talking about? I got my boy Leroy with me, man. I've been fishing with this boy like, I couldn't even tell you how long, man. We've been fishing though. So I got Leroy with me today. We gonna go get up on these fish. Leroy, tell the people what you trying to go get up while we up out here.
Trying to fish for these crappie today.
Crappie, sockeye. Some people call them white perch. The thing ain't no white perch, but some people call them white perch. But we finna go get up on these sockeye, whatever bite, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, I'm gonna tell you like this. If he bite me, I might bite him back. You know what I'm saying? If he get hooked, he might get cooked. All them things that rhyme, man. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, it's me, Julox the Cricket T Bandit. We finna go get these fish. I'ma holler at y'all when we get these fish. And you already know, it's all eagle claw everything with me. It's all eagle claw everything. All right, we just got here. We gonna kick out a chunk of mud. See if we can gooski wooski. Gonna drop him down about 2.5 feet, 3 feet. It's right there off the edge. Let's just see. Gonna do the same thing with him. Don't worry, we got plenty more bait. My boy Leroy got it over there. Get him through the back a little bit, through that tail, so he can wiggle. Let me see. I should throw him down right here. Look at that, I just put him in there, y'all. I just dropped that boy down there, y'all. I just dropped him down there. What's up? Yep. He was a little guy, but he was one of them guys though. He was definitely one of them guys. Look at her, he on there. He's small running with that thing. Oh. He was small, but he was there. I already know. When that sun start to recede, I know y'all can't see it, but I'm looking down in the water and I see the little bitty crappie just suspended. I just see a brush pile down there, y'all. That's all I'm trying to get on. Trying to get on side of them, see where they at. But we out here, ladies and gentlemen. Wind blowing, as usual. Sun up. We just got to get at it a little while, though. He'll go down. So are those barbers then. Ooh, it's a big bass got him in his mouth. Now, hold on. I saw him. I saw that big old bass there, bro. Ooh, wee. Yeah, he got him. Let him chomp. He got that, though. Leroy about to stunt one time. Call that boy Evil Knievel. All right, y'all. We got one. I think I'm gonna throw him up in there. Look at Leroy. That's a bass too, y'all. Watch. Big old bass. That boy there got him a big old bass, y'all. I sure would have started busting. Bow, bow, bow. Yup. Boy clean in the whistle. that thing right there? That's what we talking about. It don't stop and it don't quit. It don't stop and it don't quit, y'all. Go ahead, let them see that thing, bro. Let the people see that thing. You know what I'm talking about?
They're hitting though.
Yeah, they are. They hitting. They hitting. And we get. Just gotta sit back and wait sometimes, y'all. There you go. When I say Leroy wearing these bad socks, Leroy wearing these bad socks. Come on. Come on up out of there. He ain't that big, but he gonna work. Uh-huh. I told y'all that boy there had that bass. I told y'all. What's crazy is we got some boys behind us on this here little pier. They ain't doing nothing. We teaching them how to fish it right now. My prediction is pretty soon, we ain't really gonna be able to fish these two poles like that. They're gonna be hitting us fast, fast, fast. It's just my guess. All right, everyone. We live and direct.
Got a slab.
That's what we looking for. Ain't that crazy? Y'all see that thing right there? Y'all see that? That's crazy. I gotta bend all the way down for y'all to see me like that up in that camera. You feel me? But I'm gonna do it because I want y'all to see that I'm really out here on them things like that for real, bruh. Yeah. Fishing with them eagle claws. All eagle claw everything. Except one slip ball. And the minnows for sure. I think it's about 6 or 7 in the bucket. Man, I wish I was recording. I had hit 2 big old bass doubled up on them. I'm gonna put the pictures up in there for y'all. Leroy been hitting them. How many you got today, bro?
I got probably 8, 9 bass, and I got 3 socks. Excuse me, I was just getting a bite right there. I need a few more of them in my bucket though.
Man.
I can't put them bass in my bucket, but I can sure put these crappie up in there. I told told my man that this pop's going to be on fire tonight.
Yeah, Leroy called this one, y'all.
What I tell you? What I tell you? Street lights are on now.
Well, he hit that as soon as he. Poof. We get disappointed when we see those bass. Leroy finna show you what he got though.
This is the baby here.
Oh man, teeny tiny.
Here's what we can hit. We hitting that. That's a little baby right there. But it's nice. It's good to catch these.
Man, before I even forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Go watch it with somebody. Tell them to watch it with somebody. Yeah, underneath the docks, my man, a lot of fish. A lot are underneath.
Have you caught any?
Mm-hmm. Kids, just say no. He did it too. I saw him when he did it. I didn't think he did it. I saw him when he did it. Yeah, probably there. So we can get it to shine right on us, you know what I'm saying? We can get that.
So put it right here on one of these. This will go to 10 feet. So it'll give us a nice little range to where it's gonna be on top of the bobbers, you know what I'm saying?
That would be cool.
That's when G's gonna come over here and wanna fish with us.
Yup.
I might go grab it right now.
One day I'm gonna show y'all the little setup, the little knot and everything I tie. I ain't got no time for you right now.